Introducing Epson EcoTank L3211 all-in-one ink tank printer in black. It comes in a size of 43.5 into 40.8 into 24.4 centimeters and weighs 5.6 kgs. This all-in-one printer can print, scan and copy. It has a flatbed scanner and color output and supports A4, A5, A6, B5, C6, DL page size. It comes with USB connectivity. It can print up to 33 black and white and 15 color pages per minute. With a cost of 7 paise for black and white and 18 paise per color page. It is suitable for home and small office usage. The box contains the printer, CD-DVD tray, power cable, USB cable and ink bottles.